Welcome to That's Pretty Neat with Rodger and Stefan, where we discuss neat, holistic, regenerative agriculture.
They haven't been here for 7 days. That's pretty wet still.
Yeah, Stefan, I just love this example because so we know the cattle haven't been in here for a week, and yet this dung is completely soggy, wet, and green. So it hasn't even begun to think about drying up. Now, when we talk about the micro water cycle and we talk about getting the animals up on the hills in the rain, so 9 weeks ago you had 1.5 inches of rain, and total rainfall for the whole year has only been 8 inches.
Mm-hmm.
Normally people would consider that a drought because I think you're meant to get 18 inches, right? Yep. So you're meant to get 18 inches in a year. You've only had 8 inches, and 9 weeks ago, over 2 months ago, was your last 1.5 inches. But as we look up here on the hill, we can see those cups from the Hoofprints where we talk about getting the moisture to soak in on the hills. Yeah. So not only did so much moisture soak in at the hills, that now the micro water cycle is now keeping the water cycling in this micro ecosystem. So regardless of the fact that there's been a drought in the main water cycle, in the micro water cycle, it's functioning so effectively that a full week later, your dung is still sopping wet.
Yeah.
Your soil is wet. I mean, look at that. I'm doing a clay ball with soil 9 weeks since 1.5 inches of rain. That is a highly effective water cycle and a highly effective micro water cycle. And even if we pan to the other side, which is the south-facing slope, in the sun, the grass is still growing green and still not wilting, despite the same thing. So it's more effective on the shady side, but it's just as effective on the sunny side.
Wow.
So we really do need to make decisions to fix the micro water cycle on our land.
Mm-hmm.
And when you do, you can see the results. It defies logic.
Pretty neat.
It is absolutely pretty neat.
You can follow Rodger at d2gftf.com and also on his socials at Rodger Savory Holistic Management on YouTube and Facebook. We are Las Cumbres Ranch. You can follow us on social media at Las Cumbres Ranch over all platforms. And thanks for tuning in. It's been real neat.